Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. I just finished the video of fitting the new front wheel hubs on this car, and I mentioned to you that off camera I will just do the thread locking. Well, I forgot that I'd actually purchased this from AliExpress. It's Thread Locker Blue. I'm pretty sure it's completely authentic. No, but it does come in at $1.71. So, at the end of the day, all it needs to do is hold your screws into place. So I thought what I will do is just quickly put some on this here. This is actually from the WL Toys range. Put it into position. I'm obviously using parts so that you can see it nice and easily. And then when it's dried, I'll show you whether it's strong enough, basically. I will just try and undo it. So, let's get on. Don't even really need this, do I? But I will do it anyway. That seems very thick. Here's one I prepared earlier. So what you need to do before you start using it is to remove the tip like so, because, you know, you're probably not a plonker like what I am. It was probably more than what I needed, but, you know, here we are. Whoa, it's a lot more than what I needed. Come on. Well, at least we'll get a proper test, won't we? So, oops. There we go. It's done. I will come back in, what do you reckon? 10 minutes? Ah, mess, John. I'll come back in 10 minutes and then we'll see how easy that is to remove. See you soon. So it's been about 30-45 minutes. I've taken out another one just to show you. It's quite hard to show you whether something's tight or not on camera, but this one I can actually just undo with my fingers. You can tighten it up actually quite far, but that doesn't have the thread lock on. This one obviously has the thread lock on, and I cannot, for love nor money, turn that around. So let's see what it takes to break the seal, shall we? Great. All that anticipation, ladies and gents. This one's going to be no good. Well, it's certainly tight. Well, I think that says it all. The thread lock works, and it works incredibly well. So, can I recommend this lock? Yes, I most certainly can. I've in fact just used it all on this car here because it did appear to be very good. So, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.